Guys, I'm going to look through all their impact drivers and decide on what I'm going to get. Because I'm going to get a 1/4 inch impact driver. Either M12 or M18. Probably one of each. Or I may just go M18 only. Then I'm going to get 3/8 impact wrench. So do they have 1/4 inch? Yeah, they get 1/4 inch and 3/8 for impact wrenches, and get one impact driver 1/4 inch because they only do 1/4 inch impact drivers. And then I'm going to get their ratchets. I think it's all on, then get 3/8 and 1/4 inch ratchets. And then on top of that, get the M12 battery and charger. No, M12 battery and the M18 and M12 charger, and then get M18 batteries. So then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts, and keep an eye on the tab till YouTube makes features where you get notified when I post. Bye guys, peace and out.